Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Topper Chef. Today we are going to make beef vegetable soup. Okay guys, for this beef vegetable soup we're going to need 1 pound of beef, some beef bouillon, about 3 small potatoes. Here's the ginger garlic paste for flavoring. Some people don't want to put ginger, but ginger is good. Here, 1 onion. I'm going to use half of this onion and about 2 small carrots. About 2 chopped tomatoes. Here's oregano, pepper, and of course salt, which will go to flavor this thing. Okay, so the beef vegetable soup. Now this is the first time I'm cooking on this kind of conduction, and let's see how it works. So I'm gonna add my tomatoes to it. My onions to it first. Wow, gets really hot fast. So half the onions, this is about 1 onion. And to this I'm gonna add, stir this a bit. This I'm gonna add my beef. This will give the flavor to the soup very well. So let's saute this good. Now to this I'm going to add my oregano. About a teaspoon of oregano. You don't want oregano to feel in the mouth. You just want it nice flavor. And also my ginger and garlic to this. Okay, so now we sauteed this about a minute, and I increased the heat to it to about 400 degrees. It's nice and brown. It's kind of okay. So now I'm gonna add my potatoes to it, and saute this also a little bit by increasing. So now we're gonna saute this a little bit, and then I'm going to add water to it so the potatoes kind of cook before we add the other ingredients. Okay, so we've been letting this simmer with this potatoes for some time, and now I'm just gonna stir this. Wow, it smells so good. I want this soup to be very simple, you know. This is winter now. It just has to be really nice when you come home to have a nice meal like a soup. So to this I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of this bouillon, and add my tomatoes. Just saute it for 1 minute, and then I'm going to add about 4 cups of water. Okay, so now this has been sauteing for about on high heat. Oh wow, it smells, the aroma is amazing. Just keep it simple. Now I'm going to add my water, salt and pepper, and little more of the tomato flavoring which we have. Okay, so this is 5 cup soup. Okay guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. So now we are making this beef vegetable soup. It has been slowly simmering, and to this I'm going to add my carrots. I like my carrots crunchy in the soup, so add the carrots, all these carrots, and then I'm gonna let it cook for some time. I'm gonna add my extra tomatoes. I like it tomatoey, so here's some tomatoes, which has been canned tomatoes, which is gonna pulp up really well. So it's gonna be a tomato-based soup. Not too tomatoey, but it has some tomatoes to it. Now let's stir this and let it simmer for another 10 minutes or so. Okay, 5 minutes has been up. It has been slowly simmering at 390 degrees. And to this, I'm gonna add some salt. So it's nice tomato flavor, looks nice red. And to give it a hearty flavor to it, so all this one green, and it's gonna be a soup, a vegetable and beef soup. So it's not gonna be thickened with anything. Just let this cook for 5 minutes. So you don't want to overcook zucchini or squash in it. The reason is it will get very mushy. You want a bit of a crunch of it. So let's cook it only for 2-3 minutes. And once it comes to another boil, means the zucchini is good to go. Okay, so now we put the zucchini and it's been about 2 minutes. So we're gonna open this and wow, the aroma is fantastic. Voila, this is done. I'm gonna turn this off now. And it's all off. It's winter time and it's gonna get cold. You'll just love this soup so much. Hearty, good flavor to it. Good nice chunks of beef. Okay, let's try it. I got some nice croutons. Now we're gonna taste our beef vegetable soup. Wow. Very simple. A lot of flavor. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, the YouTube channel, Topper Chef. Happy cooking!